This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for December 14th, Friday. I'm Keaton Brown.
And I'm Marsha Bird.
Commodore teams continue to excel in the winter sports season. On Wednesday, the girls' indoor track team won the second Eastern District meet. Maeve Stiles won both the 500 and 3,200 meter races.
Raquel Hawkins, Micaiah McCounts, and Destiny Hooks also won events as the Commodores rode. The boys' team finished in 6th place as Norby prevailed. The boys and girls swimming teams continued to reign supreme in Eastern District competition with wins over Churchland.
Kobe Wynn, Sean Roca, and Perry Ingram won multiple events for the boys, while Anna Kingston did the same in the girls' meet. In wrestling, the Commodores dropped a dual meet to Norcom.
On Thursday, the Scholastic Foe continued their unbeaten streak, winning 2 matches over Lake Taylor and Norcom. Last night, the basketball teams were in action, and the boys continued their unbeaten streak, but not without a fight from the Truckers.
The Commodores came back with a 7 down with 3 minutes to go to claim a 60-58 victory. Brian Phillips hit 2 free throws to ice the game for the Commodores. The girls' team was not so lucky, failing to the Truckers.
There are no games scheduled for tonight, which is unusual for a Friday. However, the boys' basketball team will be in action on Saturday. The Commodores take on Woodside Wolverines and the boys' varsity invitational at the Maury High School. Game time is 7 p.m.
Now here's what's happening at MHS. With winter break on the 21st, we now have 7 days to go until next Friday. And next Friday, we will not have school. That's all for Commodore News Update today. I'm Keaton Brown.
And I'm Marsha Bird.
Have a great weekend.
This has been a Commodore News Update.